What's up guys, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, got a little bit of Foxbody tech for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to remove your front and rear sway bars from your Fox Mustang. So removing the sway bars from a Fox Mustang, it's very easy to do and it can be accomplished off of jack stands with some common hand tools. Now, as many sway bars as I have removed in my day, it does make it easier if you have a friend help you, but if you don't, just use a spare jack stand to support one side of the sway bar while you work on the other. If you're installing aftermarket sway bars, simply reverse this procedure to install your new ones. Of course, keep in mind, depending on the manufacturer of those new sway bars, the retaining hardware itself may slightly differ. Start by loosening all of the lug nuts if you do not have access to an impact. Safely support all four corners of the car with jack stands or a lift. Go ahead and remove all of the wheels. I'll be starting in the front, but the order does not matter. Loosen and remove the end-link retaining nut on both the passenger and the driver's side. These are usually 13mm nuts, but it's always good to double check. In some instances, you will need to keep the end link from spinning. The car we are working on had an aftermarket end link setup, so I had to hold the head of the bolt, which is located underneath the control arm. Factory end links have a flat in the center, which allow you to hold it with either an open end wrench or a pair of vice grips. You'll then want to remove the washer and the bushing. Pick up on the sway bar and pass it over the end link. Dislodge the rearward push pin securing the frame rail splash shield to the frame rail. Carefully move it to the outside of the sway bar. Now you want to locate the pivot bushing brackets. These are located underneath the frame rail. Loosen and remove one of the bolts from each side. This hardware commonly takes a 15mm socket. Now is when you'll want to have your friend hold one side and remove one of the bolts. Use your free hand to hold the other side and remove the last bolt. The front sway bar can now be removed from the car. Moving to the rear of the car now. Locate the two attaching bolts on either side of the rear lower control arms. Like the front pivot bushing bracket hardware, loosen and remove one of the bolts from either side. These also take a 15mm socket. Support the other side with your free hand and then remove the last bolt. The rear sway bar can now be removed from the car. Of course, like I said previously, if you can't get anyone to help you, use a spare floor jack to support one side of the sway bar while you work on the other. To see more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and you know what to do by now, guys, for all things Foxbody. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.